Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Simply Sketching and Painting by rfmusani. I am rfmusani. So let's paint along a beautiful and a simple watercolor painting today. Today I'm using a Wuhong 300 grams watercolor paper. It's a rough paper. It is a very nice paper with a rough texture, and it can absorb a lot of watercolor pigments. I'll be using transparent watercolor paints. The color which I would be using is green, uh, black, dark brown, purple, and raw sienna, and cobalt blue, and white gouache. The brushes which I use for painting is usually Hague, which is 1.5 inches. I use a round tip size 10 brush. I also use a square tip brush which is size 6, and I use a signature liner brush. Basically, this painting has three tree trunks with its stems and small twigs coming out of those tree trunks. These tree trunks have been colored with beautiful, vibrant colors. And on the background, you can see the clear sky. You can see the trees, and there is also the reflection of the trees and the sky in the water. This is a very simple painting. First of all, you have to have an imaginary horizon line, and then you do the sky with cobalt blue, a little bit of black, and raw sienna, and also do the water with the same what you call mixture, and then you use since it's wet and wet, you use the green and the yellows to do the trees. Since it is wet, the colors will move up and look like trees. If you have to manipulate a little bit with your brush, you can do that, and then they will appear as small trees in the background, and then you can do their shades in the water, and either you can do the tree trunks first, or you can do the landscape which is at the back first. If you do the tree trunk first, then you have to use vibrant, beautiful colors, and so that they look very colorful, and there's a contrast to it. And then with dark brown and black, you can do the twigs and the branches coming out of those tree trunks. So it is very simple. So just watch and just enjoy the painting till the end. I hope you have liked my painting. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.